As it is quarantine and we're all inside, I've been extremely bored and haven't been able to do any photography work, which I normally do. I thought I would put together a little project for myself, and this is basically a recreation project where I recreate a bunch of images that I found on Pinterest that I absolutely love, or just some iconic images that I found really amazing. So this could be like because of the composition or the colors or just the way that the models pose. As a photographer, I want to try and make this like just a creative fun shoot to do, and I'll be using Photoshop of course to try and manipulate some of the backdrops that I don't actually own. So the first image is this image that I'll probably put on the screen here. It is an image that I reblogged on Tumblr years ago, but I absolutely loved. I always wanted to recreate this. So basically the girl is wearing an orange leotard, and I'm pretty sure this is for like a swimwear brand, and forgive me, I don't know the actual source, but I have a leotard here. It's not exactly the same thing, but it has a low back. So I'll be showing you like behind the scenes. I'm shooting on my phone, so I'll be photographing obviously on my camera. So stay tuned for the results, and I hope you enjoy this project. And obviously you can totally try this as well because I got this idea off another YouTuber. So I'll probably just continue to do a bunch of creative ideas while I am in quarantine until I'm let out. But yeah, okay, right. So this is my recreation of Pinterest and Tumblr images.